In today's video, I'll show you how to send a newsletter with ActiveCampaign, from choosing your subscribers to designing and scheduling your email. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and open the Contacts section. Make sure your subscriber list is organized and that you're targeting contacts who have opted in to receive your emails. Next, go to Campaigns or Email and click Create a Campaign. Give your newsletter an internal name, then select Standard as the campaign type for a regular one-time newsletter. Now choose the list or segment you want to send the newsletter to. Make sure you're selecting the right audience before continuing. Next, choose a newsletter template or start with a blank design. Use the drag and drop editor to add your headlines, text, images, buttons, and social links. After designing the email, add your subject line, pre-header text, and from name. Make sure your newsletter also includes the required footer information, such as your business address and an unsubscribe option. Before sending, preview the newsletter and send yourself a test email. Check the layout, links, images, and formatting on both desktop and mobile. You can also use ActiveCampaign's available spam and deliverability checks to identify potential issues before sending. Once everything looks good, choose Send Now to deliver the newsletter immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Finally, review your campaign settings and confirm the send. And that's how you send an ActiveCampaign newsletter. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.